Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 picture thumbnails not showing. First method is open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options. Click View tab, uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, click Apply, click OK. Second method is open File Explorer. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings, check Show Thumbnails instead of Icons, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type Disk Cleanup in Windows search bar, click Disk Cleanup. Check Thumbnails, click OK. Restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.